So it's officially confirmed. We are getting the Google Pixel Fold 2 on August 13th at 10 a.m. Interesting. I'm excited. I'm excited to see, in all honesty, because we've already seen pictures of this device. We've already seen enough information about it. I'm excited to see the exact specs of this device. We already know it's going to have 16 gigabytes of RAM, but we don't know, one, how powerful it's going to be with the Tensor G4 chip. The rumors are they're going G4 chip and they're skipping the G3. Again, those are rumors. We're going to find out if that is correct or incorrect, you know, in the future when this does go ahead and actually get posted. Other than that, I don't really think there's too many other things that really is a surprise. Obviously, we know it's going to have the basic stuff that any other foldable phone will have right now. We'll be interested to see the exact specs for wireless charging and wired charging. That's another thing I'm going to be interested in. The cameras should have really good cameras. I'm not expecting too much there. And again, price tag wise, it has to be $1,800–$1,900. Like, if this is cheaper than the Pixel Fold 1 when it came out, I'll be heavily surprised. Like, this should probably be in the same ballpark range of the Pixel Fold 1 price tag wise. And yes, we are going to be picking it up. We are going to get it for the channel, and we are going to be reviewing it for the channel because I really, really want to love this device. I want to love it. I have my thoughts and opinions on the look, and I still hate the fact that they're going with the more narrow display. But, I'm open to loving this device. I'm open to giving this device as much of a chance as possible. And I'm hoping it really surprises me with how good this actual device is. But August 13th can't come soon enough. It's right around the corner, guys. Tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I'll see you guys in the next one.